Alright, it's another video. We're finally modding the 335i. Got the arm downpipe. This one is CATLESS. Completely different design from the other ones I've seen. Then I also bought the intercooler for it. So it's already stage 1, but going stage 2 with these mods officially. Gonna be installing them in a little bit. There you go. Super nice. And shout out to Motorsports for helping me out. Here we go. Alright, this is for the bumper. Just taking off all these bolts around the fender liner. Alrighty, so it should be those two right there, and you gotta do it for each side, and then it should be a couple of bolts underneath the hood. Alright, so after you take off the bolts from the sides underneath the wheel well, it should be just these 4 up here, and it should come off. Alright, this one is a T27, I believe. There you go. Alright, so the bumper's off. Now, don't forget to disconnect your fog lights. So I was trying to take them off from the top, from right here, because it looks like you could squeeze it, but there's 2 little buttons over here you gotta press on each side, and it comes right out. This bumper. That easy. Alright, so I took off the bumper. So the only reason I didn't show the taking off the bolts from the bottom was because mine doesn't have any bolts. It's completely fucked up. But see, here you go. You're supposed to take off all of those right here on the very bottom. That's how it looks. Alright. Put this thing on some ramps. Make it a little bit easier. I just wanted to take off the bumper first. But that's what it looks like. Now to try to take off the intercooler, which is right here. So to take this off, I guess it's only these 2 bolts right here. Like a crazy light. This one right here, and the one over here. And it's a T20, I believe. Because I tried the other ones, it didn't work. And then there should be just these hose clamps. Just take them off with a flathead, and that should be it. Wish me luck. Alright, so after you take off the little clamps on here from each side, just wedge a flathead right in between here and the plastic and separate them like so, like that, and just do it to the other side too. And then the final part should be these. You basically just slide them over, like, let's see. Oh yeah, you lift and turn. It should come off. I'm afraid of the thing falling, but that should be it. Jeez, this thing's dirty as hell. And I should just slide out. Alright, there it is. It's out. I was gonna do the downpipe too, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough time. Here's the new one. Way bigger. So according to ARM's website, or ARM Motorsports website, this one shouldn't need any cutting, because I was just watching a video and they do cut some portion of the front right here, but hopefully it just slides in. I don't want any issues. Check this out. Some quick comparisons. This junk versus this really nice one. Heck yeah. Alright, so I was struggling with putting this thing in here because I was anytime I try to shove it in there, I was hitting this piece of plastic. I guess you just have to take it off. It's actually supposed to be like in like this, so it's supposed to be like that. That's the original position. So you just slide it out. You can just keep it to the side or throw it away. I'm not gonna use it anymore. And then that should give me room, because I was having issue with this side fully going in and setting in. But all right, attempt number 2, putting back in. Hopefully I'm doing this right, but they include hardware. Supposed to go like this. Just screw the little nut all the way towards the middle, and this part should go to the very top. And then here, let me just show you. I guess it's supposed to go like this. This screws in here, I believe. This. It's a long screw. So that's how it's supposed to look, like that. Ignore my stripping, I don't have the right tool for it. And you gotta do it to this side. Alright, it's in there, finally. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. Fuck yeah. Now I just gotta put snap in the hoses and it should be done. Fuck yeah.
One eternity later.
Alright, a couple of hours, actually 4 hours later, a downpipe is out. This thing was such a freaking hassle, but there it is. Here, let me compare it to there it is. Sheesh. Now I gotta take off the sensors. Hopefully it's easier putting everything back than taking it off.
Oh, I made a mistake.